Hi, it's Thomas. We're in a Target parking lot in kind of suburban Chicago. Back in January, we were here to explore the drill music scene. It was cold, the murder rate looked like it might be capping off. Since then, Chief Keef is now living up in the suburbs. He's out of juvenile hall with his kids and a lot of ATVs and a bunch of paintball gear. His buddies Lil Durk and Lil Reese kind of took wayward paths. Lil Durk is the superstar in waiting right now. His album is about to come out. He's doing the press circuit. He's about to play here in front of an insane crowd of people.
The crowd is big, it's packed inside. Security's running around everywhere. Lollapalooza is happening across town right now, but this is clearly the better party. Drill music is coming of age.
Is there like somebody big headlining or something? There you go. Oh, way back! Yeah, bitch. Super fast.
Dirk, good work on the crowd, man. This is fucking insane.
Yeah.
Did you expect this? Or?
Yeah, just by the looks of a lot of paloozas.
Yeah.
So shit.
Are you psyched or are you slightly nervous?
Yeah, I'm already going to for right now.
Yeah.
We got our own security.
Yeah. But you have actual security too, right? Like there's for real security also,
Yeah.
right? Okay, good.
Are you playing?
Nah. I don't know, man. I'm so motherfucking high right now. Oh, no.
And I need everybody on the stage right now. Hold on. Everybody on the stage right now. Tito, Bobe, or Tito. I need everybody on the stage.
L's up for them haters. Throw the L's up for them haters. L's up for them haters. Throw the L's up for them haters. L's up for them haters.
Dirk Banks, 20 years old, Chicago, Illinois. Fresh from Inglewood. Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about where you grew up? What's Inglewood like?
Growing up, it wasn't that bad, but as we started growing up, it started getting bad and bad. My daddy was one of the big guys. Like, I seen a lot of it growing up, so like I say, my head was just everywhere. I'm like, man, I want to be just like him.
Yeah.
My daddy went to jail when I was 7 months. A lot of them. Oh, they say he got caught. He got caught like $8 million. He got caught $8 million and a lot, like 6 bricks. Like $8 million and 6 bricks.
Yeah.
Favorite story right there. Shit. That's all I need to hear. $8 million, I knew how much he was worth.
At the top, it's just us, niggas, but I don't really trust niggas. OTF, it's just us, niggas, but I don't really trust niggas.
We all grew up with the OTF. The only family as a group, as you be a lot of us, as we start growing up. And when we start that rapping, you try to think of a name because there was a lot of us. I'm like, man, let's bring back OTF. We brought it back, so that's what it is now, OTF.
In my own city, they hate on me, put weight on me. Fuck TMZ, fuck breaking news and ABC. I can't do no shows, cause I terrify my city. They say I terrify my city.
Why do you terrify your city?
Like I say, personally, the history. Definitely though, for real. Something, keep it 100 with y'all. Chicago ain't never do it like we did. Like a lot of people don't want to see what goes on.
I'm toting, phone them off, bill they rolling. We lurking, see them on them. Headshot told Lil Bro, don them. Cause Lil Bro keep it on them. He shoot, he blowing. Face shot, so ain't no viewing. Close casket. it ain't no face. No face, it ain't no case. Police, it ain't no trace. That's why I use the A. Sometimes I use the 30. That's when we doing dirty. That mean we show no mercy. That loud, that pipe be perfect. Ain't a nigga perfect. Don't be no dummy boy. A lot of niggas paranoid. Free Bronum and that Slimer boy. Free Bronum and that Slimer boy. What's up with all these fuck niggas?
Every time somebody get killed or something, they say it's 'cause of our music. So I know it's more. I know it's way deeper than that. I'm saying they don't want us doing nothing good for ourselves. Something happened, ain't got nothing to do with us. They'll still say, "Oh yeah, it's y'all can't. Y'all show is canceled." So I tell them like I terrify y'all. Then I guess I do.
I grab my 30 if you a little bigger. He pillow talking, that's for bitches, nigga. Yo, bitch want me, I pass her to my niggas. Got so much swag, these hoes, they feelin', nigga. We bought more choppers, 'cause the streets got realer. Ain't never seen you, so I ain't gon' serve you, nigga. What's up with all these fuck niggas? They fake as fuck, man.
Y'all canceling shows. What the fuck y'all canceling shows for? So that's just to let them know what's going on too.
Too many faces, I can't trust niggas.
I'm big boss Fredo. What's up with all these fuck niggas? Trap house, trillin' crack, them pillowcases stuff, nigga. I don't fuck with fuck, nigga. Don't fuck with me, you get drunk, nigga. Step up in the club, what? Bet none of us get touched, nigga. All us got 30s. We let them bitches bust, nigga. Let them blow. All us got 30s. We let them bitches bust, nigga. Got a young nigga that's 15, and all he do is slump, nigga. Young nigga that's 15, and all he do is slump, nigga. Dissing us, you drunk, nigga. Your whole squad full of punk, nigga. Don't make me grab that pump, nigga. Turn y'all to some skunk, nigga. Bitch, we them niggas, and ain't no way around it. I got a lot of guns. I'm talking 100 round shit. Bang.
Hey, she need to go.
What? What's up? Whoa, what? Dude, fuck, what? What? Shit. No. Who's... Dude, everybody just hit the fucking deck. There's... I think something just backfired or something, but it sounded like a gunshot and everybody freaked the fuck out. Is that it? There's a fucking tire. Is there a fucking tire? Yo. You alright? What's... Oh, that was her punch.
You turn shit up. Turn up, bro. Turn up. Turn up.
I'm move LA, man. I'm with my kids at this shit. You know what I'm saying? Now I got kids. I'm gonna get them out of it. As long as they safe and they good, they ain't gotta worry about watching their back where they at. Violence everywhere, but we got known violence in Chicago. Like they killing kids. It'd be something real stupid happen, like they killed that baby. When that died down a couple months later, the little girl got killed in the park. They do some of the dumbest shit in Chicago, man. Best thing you can do is just avoid it.
I know this bitch thought she wanted me, my mama never, I got a QP in earth roller, let's get high, light it up, and I guarantee that you gon' touch the sky. He say he get money.
So that was one of the most out of control shows I think I've ever seen. We're back at Dirk's place. This is the house he grew up in, right behind us. His mom's there.
We in the heart of the Inglewood. baby, we in Inglewood. That's how they do it in the Inglewood area. Straight 71st and Hawkins in the hood, baby. We in the woods. Lil Durk in the house. That's what's going on.
That's your Lil Durk. You bring the city out.
Yeah,
OTF, baby.
Squad.
Relax, man. Out here in the hood, out in the streets, baby.
The whole squad is back now. There's a lot of girls here. It's the first time we've seen girls out, honestly, on the south side since we've been coming here. It's a really good mood, despite the fact that like even getting in the artist entrance was like Checkpoint Charlie. This is really cool. Now we're just gonna hang out.
That's when they lacking. I love that feeling, niggas leaking. These niggas cheesy. Shout out to Reese, he can't relate.
Just look out. You hear me?
Hey, young niggas, man, we out here, man. Squad shit. You got it, man. Real shit. Give my man big up.
Throw this at the hole.
This ain't nothing, man. Chump
Spend money.
That's tonight money, here. That's tonight money.
I'm gonna get big and I'm gonna get artists and we gonna take off. Yeah, OTF who like, or one of the members of OTF just bought a building for the kids, a gym. He just opened up a gym. You know what I'm saying, shit like that. I don't want them to be like OTF was just on the news for another gun case.
Yeah, kind of like the Panthers.
Yeah, cause they ain't gonna sort you out. They gonna say OTF. So if you affiliated with, I don't care if you from China, if you OTF and you affiliated, it's gonna be some bullshit.
Yeah. We're all in it together.
Yeah, so I'm trying to branch off. Chicago crazy, but at the same time I'm trying to get some money. Some of that flow right overseas money.